Want to make your Snapchat profile public in just a few minutes? Here is exactly how to do it on both iPhone and Android. First, just make sure your account is at least 16 years old and in good standing. Now, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings gear icon in the top right. In the search bar at the top, type in "See Me in Quick Add." Click on it and make sure this option is turned on. Go back to the main settings page. Tap on Contact Me and set it to Friends and Contacts. Go back again, click on View My Story. Make sure this is set to My Friends so it isn't limited to just specific people. Head back to your main profile page and scroll down. If you don't see that option yet, don't worry. Go back to your camera screen, take a quick photo or video, and tap Send To. Select My Story, Public, and hit the send arrow. Still not seeing it? Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your Snapchat app is fully updated. Sometimes these features just take a little time to roll out to everyone. And that's it.